everyone, welcome to Okanagan Dodge. My name is Emily and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2016 Ford F-150 Platinum Super Crew Cab in Shadow Black. Under the hood you have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine pushing out 365 horsepower, 420 foot-pounds of torque, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission. On the front here you have your automatic headlights, daytime running lights, your chrome front tow hooks, your chrome grille, and then of course your Ford badge. Still fantastic tread remaining on these hand-cooked tires that are sitting atop of 20-inch factory chrome alloy rims. Coming down the side you have chrome mirrors and door handles, as well as tinted rear windows. And then you have your side step there as well, and your tonneau cover in the back. Let me grab the keys and show you the inside. So taking a look now at your key fob, you have your lock, unlock, remote start, your tailgate release, and then your panic button. And it does have a proximity keyless entry, so just make sure that key is in your pocket or your bag and you'll be able to lock and unlock the doors. And then you have a keypad entry as well, and power running boards. So then opening up your driver's side door, you have your adjustable mirrors, which are also heated and power folding, your power locks, and then your power windows and your power adjusted driver's seat with memory seating for yourself and 2 other drivers. And then inside you have beautiful black leather seats. So I'll go ahead, hop on in and start it up. So currently this Ford F-150 is sitting at 73,737 kilometers, so tons of life left in it, but do speak to one of our finance managers about any extended warranties to make sure you are fully covered. Over on the side there you have your headlight adjustments, and then further down you have your power adjusted foot pedals. You have your automatic high beams as well as your windshield wiper settings. And then on the side of your leather wrapped steering wheel you have your screen options as well as your cruise control. And then on the other side you have your volume as well as your radio controls and your voice recognition and Bluetooth. You have a push button start as well. And then at the top there you have your downward hill assist, your traction control, your hazard lights, and your 360 camera. And then in the center here you have a nice large touchscreen display with your radio options. So you have your AM, FM, and satellite, as well as your media options. So for those, of course, you have your Bluetooth, your CD player, your USB and auxiliary plugins. You have navigation as well, and then your heated steering wheel, and your backup and 360 camera. Your 4x4 options there, and then your trailer backup assist, as well as your factory trailer brake controller. You have dual climate control with front and rear defrost. And then you have your heated and ventilated front seats. And down at the bottom there you have your 12-volt DC plug-in and 2 USB plug-ins. On the side here you have your lane departure warning and then your parallel park assist. And then you have a nice roomy center console there. Coming up to the top you have your universal garage door opener with 3 settings. And then you have your panoramic sunroof, as well as your power rear sliding window. And then on the side of your mirrors, you have your blind spot monitoring as well. So stick with me and I'll show you the rest. Taking a look now in your second row of seating, that panoramic sunroof extends to the back here. So again, it is a Super Crew cab, so you have tons of space back here for any passengers. You have your mat pockets located behind your driver's seat there. And then you have your 110 volt plug-in, as well as your heated second row seats. The center here folds down for 2 extra cup holders, and then your seats can fold up with a 60-40 split to give you some extra flat cargo space in the back as well. So coming into the back, as I mentioned earlier, you have your tri-folding tonneau cover, your hitch receiver at the bottom there, and then your 4 and 7 pin wiring harness, your parking sensors along the bottom, and then you have your backup camera as well. On your passenger side, you also have a power adjusted seat, storage compartment along the bottom, your power locks, power windows, and then of course you have your glove box there with your books. So So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon at Okanagan Dodge to take this 2015 Ford F-150 Platinum for a test drive.